shown my electric blue crayfish in a while. This is a 40 breeder. This has my electric blue crayfish, and you can see there's some red Neocaridina. There's a female all buried up. And they breed in here along with the crayfish. You can see some of them hanging on back. And some more Neos. But yep, they do really well in here. They've got rocks and places to hide. Seems like the Neocaridina and them kind of have a nice symbiotic relationship, because the Neocaridina from time to time you'll see them on the blue crayfish. They'll be cleaning them. But yeah, I just love these guys. They're just so cool to watch. So cool to watch. These are my electric blue crayfish.